Happy Friday, everyone. Well, we've got a chance of rain the next 3 days in the region, but it's not going to be raining continuously. So let's talk about when the best chances of seeing rain are in your Friday and weekend forecast, sponsored by NIPSCO. Do want to mention the chance for some isolated showers for the morning commute today. Not a guarantee you're going to see rain, but there are some isolated showers out there. And the best chance of catching one of these showers is looking like the northeastern part of the region. So if you're in LaPorte County, that's where it's most likely you'll encounter a shower for the morning drive. It is going to be a quick opportunity at seeing showers this morning. I think by 11 a.m. the showers are completely out of here. And then there's probably going to be an extended dry streak. So it does look like the afternoon hours are going to be dry in the region. And we're going to be warming up as well. Now, it is going to be breezy today. Gusts are going to reach around 25 miles per hour this afternoon. But it's looking like most of us will see highs in the mid-60s this afternoon. Now, I'm stopping the model at 8 o'clock this evening because it looks like 8 o'clock is about the time rain will start to push back into the region. Not a guarantee you're going to see rain, though, at 8 o'clock. That's just when the rain chance begins. We jump ahead to 11 o'clock and notice a little bit more showing up. Call it isolated showers at this point. And then by 2 a.m., got to call it scattered shower activity. So the later you're going to be out tonight, the more likely it is that you're going to encounter rain. The other thing I want to mention, too, is that it's going to be staying breezy this evening. The winds aren't going to die down like they usually do. They might die down a little bit, but gusts are going to be around 20 miles per hour, so a little bit of a wind chill factor as well. Now, during the overnight hours, the scattered showers die down again, and so we jump ahead to 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. It's back to just isolated showers. Definitely a lot of gaps around, but I do want to mention the chance of rain still. And really, there's a chance for isolated showers through morning and early afternoon, but I'm going to stop the model now at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon because it's about 4 o'clock or so. It looks like a line of storms is going to develop right ahead of a cold front, and that's going to push over us. Heavy rain and lightning a possibility. Unfortunately, the threat of severe storms can't be ruled out. Now, one other thing to note is that it's going to be a pretty warm day. We're going to see high temperatures upper 60s to low 70s, and it's going to be a very windy day, even before the storms get here. In the afternoon, we're going to see those wind gusts getting up to 40 miles per hour, that kind of wind that's pretty unpleasant. The problem is with this line of storms, there is the potential that we could see wind gusts even higher than that. So as far as when it's looking the stormiest right now in the region, that's looking like 6, 7, 8 o'clock Saturday evening. Notice heavy rain and lightning, pretty good bet it looks like during that time. Right now, it looks like the line will be pushing out of here by 10 o'clock Saturday night. Then there's going to be a period of scattered showers behind the storms, and that chance of rain may linger into Sunday as well. But by 10 o'clock Saturday evening, it's looking like the severe threat will be over. So we're under the slight risk for severe storms, that level 2 out of 5, and that means isolated severe storms are possible. So not all the storms are going to be severe. In fact, what's most likely is still just heavy rain and lightning. But couple storms could overachieve. And in a worst case scenario, we could see wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, possibly up to quarter-size hail. And though the chance is very small, we can't completely rule out an EF0 or EF1 tornado spinning up. So not a giant tornado, but even an EF0, EF1 tornado could produce wind gusts up to 100 miles per hour. So we certainly don't want to see that, and it is very unlikely, but can't completely rule it out for late Saturday afternoon and through the early evening hours. Finally, got to finish talking about Sunday. And I do think Sunday is going to be largely dry. That said, can't rule out a few showers Sunday morning and even through the early afternoon. Notice this model largely dry, but I've just got to keep the chance in there. The rain awfully close to us, so the chance for a couple showers, but I do think most of Sunday is going to be dry. The chance of catching a shower is very small, and certainly by the late afternoon, the rain chance is over with. But notice how the cloud cover really trying to linger. So the question is, what are temperatures looking like Sunday? Because it's not going to be that wet of a day, so can we have some warm temperatures to enjoy? Well, can't call it warm. We're still below normal for this time of year, but, low 60s. It could be worse. Now, some close to the lake might get stuck in the upper 50s. The problem, once again, is it's still going to be windy. Not quite as windy as Saturday, but I still think gusts could reach around 35 miles per hour.